How to create a travel and adventure experiences website using squarespace.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create your website using squarespace.com. So let's get started guys. You click on get started and here you can search and scroll in a variety of templates which are pre-made templates. You can just adjust little things, change some text and some titles and a little bit of design, and your website will be ready to go. And for the people that likes to design their website from scratch, you also have here a template which is a blank template where you can design your website from scratch. But for me personally, I like the pre-made templates because that makes the job easier and saves a lot of time. So here we can filter by type or by topic to save time while searching for a good template that matches our requirements. So I'm just going to filter by topic. So let's go for travel and let's click on travel and let's see what are the templates that we have in this niche. So here we have documenting the very best info that travel, another one which is the Soto template. This one is Rivoli. This is the blank template that I told you about. If you want to build your own template from scratch, and here we can see other ones, but it's not about traveling, so it's just stick with the first ones. So I didn't like this one pretty much. It looks very old. This one have a nice and a good design, and this one also, but I'm going to choose this one. I like the colors. So you can just click on start with Soto, or you can click on preview to see the site first. You can click on view demo site to see it in full width. And here we can see our website in full width. We can check it and see if it matches our requirements. So basically it talks about traveling. As you can see, you can click on a blog or an article to read. So I think it's a pretty decent website. So let's close this tab and let's start with this design. It will set things up for us, and then it will require for us to give a title for our design. So you can always skip that step, but I'm going to give it a title because I don't want to get mixed between my designs, because you can create multiple designs using this platform, and that's what I like most about it. So I'm just going to give it a title and it's travel, and I will leave it in travel, or I will add and adventure experiences. And adventure experiences, and then I will click on continue and click on close. I'm done with these tabs, and here we can see in our left a variety of sections, and I'm going to go with each one of them and explain it. So the first one is website, where we can add pages or change the ones that we already have, as you can see in here. And the second one is commerce, where you can adjust. It's basically for online stores more. If you want to adjust your orders or add products or see your inventory, customers, set your payments gateways, or if you want more ways to sell like memberships or custom merch. And we also have marketing, which is pretty obvious. If you want to set your SEO campaigns or email campaigns, or if you want to set your pixels like your ads or your Facebook pixel, Instagram pixel, and stuff like that. And then we have the asset library, where you can upload your pictures and images to use on the designs. You can just store them in here. We can also see skip the one which is scheduling, and it's pretty much for setting your calendar, or if you want to set your availability time, and it's for people that are using appointment settings and meetings and stuff like that. And here we have the analytics, where we can see our sales or traffic or geography or our orders or revenue or our conversion rate. And we can see also the profiles, where we can find our clients' profiles or our visitors' profiles. And last thing but not least, we have settings, where you can set your domains, Google Workspace, or set your site availability from private to public. Also, you can set your permissions and your site languages, and you can set your store payments and a lot more in this section. And then we will explore the edit phase, where we can edit our template, change colors, change pictures, and change all this stuff, add sections or add blocks. So we will see this page in full width right now, and you will be able to edit that in a bit. So it's just loading, so just wait for it to load. And here it is, it's now in full width, and we will see an add section button in here and another one which says add block in here. So you can see we can manage posts, edit this section, or move it down, or if you want to add another section or move it up in here, or remove the section, duplicate. If you want to edit the section, change the picture inside it, just click on change, and you will be able to change the picture from background. You can change the image from here, or if you want to change the colors, also you can do that in here. If you want to change the image from image to video or art, all that you can do it. And in here you can change your fonts, your colors, and stuff that are related to styles. So I just wanted to give you an idea about the platform, guys. I hope you find the video useful. So if you find it useful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for support. And don't forget to share the video with your friends or family or followers to give us a little encouragement and support. Thank you guys for watching.